it's finally time for our planned vacation, and it's 4:30. It's time to go. Lemak, teh tarik, and chocolate.
Soft
It's one of my first international flight. So Maldives, here we come. The best thing about Maldives is their view from the flight, because it's such a beautiful. It's like islands after islands, right? They have a lot of islands there. So the best is to capture them from the flight. But sadly, I'm sitting in the Eiffel Row. But anyway, let's see what we can capture. We just landed in Maldives and now we're waiting for the baggage. Our villa. So behind you will be the spa, and this is the bar and the pool, and we have the boutique shop over here. And on my website is the restaurant, which is for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast and dinner will be a la carte, and lunch will be buffet live station.
So every time you need to walk and come, or you'll be budget?
If you want the money, you can let me know. I will arrange the budget.
Okay.
for lunch. And look at that view again, guys. Wow, just wow. Even that side. Wow, crazy. Come get this one. Look at the sound of it, feel of it. And yeah, let's go for lunch. Apparently it's buffet lunch today. So yeah, let's go and see what they have. Definitely a place you should visit if you are an ocean or a nature kind of a person, because I enjoyed their ocean just now. Was literally having bath and then enjoying their pool and then enjoying their jacuzzi. Now it's time for dinner. We're supposed to go out to Kani, alright, to have our dinner, but sadly the rain, the weather suddenly turned out to be very bad, where they even cancelled the boat ride. So now looks like we are having an in-house dinner. So let's go. So yeah, it's dinner time. It's almost the completion of day one in Maldives. And yeah, we are enjoying at the moment. The rain just disturbed our plan a bit, but then yeah, it's still wonderful. Gingerbread.
Five, four, three, two, one. Let's go!
And in your eyes, you're holding mine, baby. Everybody dancing in the dark, with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass.
Concludes the first day in Maldives. What a long day, but what a beautiful day it was. Traveling from Malaysia all the way to Maldives, 4 hours journey, and then reaching here, having to learn a lot of new cultures, new environment, and even beautiful ocean that they have here, which is their most important assets for their economy here, right? I think the economy here is tourism. So yeah, the first day actually just completes the entire activity that we did. Tomorrow we'll bring you up with more and more cool things. Let's see how tomorrow works out. So until then, good night for today. Cheers. Second day morning at Maldives. We are looking at the beautiful Indian Ocean together with some floating breakfast. So we have some floating breakfast set up for us today, and yeah, I'll show you the menu. So I have breakfast here, and with the sun blooming right straight to you, it's beautiful, beautiful. So we got omelette, we got the bread, we got omelette again, and then we got some tea, we got cocoa crunch, we got chapati I think, and then we got cornflakes and some nice little hibiscus flowers, and it's protein. And then we also have nasi lemak, and then we have some sausages and some Maldivian food. This one I don't know what it is.
Salty egg.
And
the best one.
this is her
Porridge.
favorite. Not my favorite. This is her favorite. Porridge. Problem is, it's super cold. Even though the sun is like that, the water is so cold. Oh my god! Morning, to get to that food, you have to go into this cold water. Let's try. Huh? The day floating breakfast and stuff is just for the experience. We don't know how it's gonna be. Let's give a try, but yeah, it's all for the experience. We have seen it in the movies, in the Instagram and stuff, but today, yeah, we are seeing that real life. So let's experience this. And yeah, Look at that. Oh my god. Surreal feeling. This is the part that is so difficult to go into the water. Oh. As an overall, many people have been saying that floating breakfast is something that's not logic, where it's so hard to, eat when you are in water and stuff. But I personally kind of enjoy this breakfast. Sitting in the pool, having the breakfast was a total different feeling which I had never experienced before. So yeah, I liked it. I really liked it, and the breakfast as well. I think compared to the dinner and the lunch, I actually like the breakfast more. For lunch now, waiting for our buggy driver. Not sure what's in store today for lunch. We'll bring you across the menu. We're one of the last houses here, house number 50, and we are the sunrise section. The sunset is the other side. So this is how the sun rises and sunset.
Prepared for us. What is this?
Chicken, lamb curry,
Special Indian food. Thank you.
Maldives is just around the corner. 1 hour and a half they can reach Kerala, which means they are very near to India, Sri Lanka, and when it rains there, the next 2 hours it will rain here. That's what we got to know here from some of the citizens, from the locals. Now we are going to the furniture shop. My hands are all sand thanks to the dance we did. Oh, let's go to the furniture shop. It's dinner time, so we're waiting for our buggy at the moment. Still not here. Every time when I take the phone and come outside the villa, I just have to show you guys how it looks. Anyway, yeah, we are waiting for our buggy at the moment. Today, I wonder what they have. Let's see. You have to come and cook. No, actually this one is for the soup. For the soup. Yeah, it's totally soup for the Hello. നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെ ഓ ഇവിടെ
இது ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க நல்ல மால்டிவன் டூனா கறி
ഓ ഫിഷ് കറി
கறி கோகனட் ரைஸ்
നൈസ് നൈസ് ഓക്കെ
ஸ்டார்டர் அங்கே இருக்கு
ஓகே
டெசர்ட் எல்லாம் அங்கே
ஸ்டார்டர் வந்து അവിടെ ഓക്കെ We have two people who's cooking for us the prawn today. Yeah. They cooked the prawn for us today.
You say, oh. Say la 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 la. Say li 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 li. From the top, the way, hey. Usa, usa. And ready to go. Hey, hey. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. And right. Let's go.
Good morning from Finolhu, Maldives, and this is our third day here with a beautiful Indian Ocean once again. And yesterday night was fun. It was superb. Last night, to be honest, 2 days we stayed in Maldives. Yesterday we had a superb day so far. Right, there's still 2 days to go. Well, yesterday the breakfast was cool, amazing. In fact, you would have seen the videos and the photos. And after that, we had lunch, and having Indian food cooked by an Indian chef just made it all even more better. And for dinner, we actually had a very, very nice romantic dinner in the beach. All right, and it was more to a pool villa, and then it started raining, and the team, right, the Club Med team actually took the effort. They worked so quickly to make sure that every guest is satisfied, switching over the tables, and then to end it all, we finally had a good dance. And it was all party last night. It was really good. And today we are here again, and now we are going for breakfast and some activities. Right, we have a lot of activities today. We have cooking classes, we have kayak, we have a lot of things, snorkeling and stuff. So let's see how today turns out to be. Hope you guys are doing good. Hey. Submit a letter, so we're using the computer at the moment. This is the lobby. It looks beautiful. This is right up the breakfast, which was also good today. Just that we were the last one until the shop guy had to, ask us to leave. Today we are doing some cooking lessons with our dearest chef who have been cooking for us for the past few days. Today it's our turn to cook. So yeah, let's go and cook. Are you ready to cook?
Yes.
So what are we cooking today?
Don't know.
Don't know, I still don't know, yeah. So let's go. Look at the view, look at the view. Oh my god. So we'll be cooking here. Yeah, we just finished our cooking lesson. Now we're going to change our attire. And we've got a few other things to do. Let's go! First, just 2 hours ago, and then we had some barbecue, and then we went home just to freshen up, and now we are back for lunch. Basically, we're just eating. But let's see what's in the menu today. Just finished our activity in the beach. You can see a beautiful scenery, but it's raining now, so we are running. Let's go! What a lovely day. Enjoying the sunset with the beach at Maldives. And now we are walking back all the way to our villa to get ready for our dinner at Kani. At Kani, apparently they are serving dinner and there's some night party as well. So let's go and have some fun. Well, yeah, we have done with our shower and getting ready for a dinner at Kani. So we are staying in Finolhu. This is a separate private island. So now tonight's dinner is going to be at Kani. So we are currently waiting for our boat, which will be here about 7 o'clock. Apparently the duration from here to Kani is about 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah. Kani Island. So this is Kani. I don't know where it's supposed to go. Oh, there. Yeah. Oh wow. I love Kani. According to that sign. I didn't say that. I mean, I saw the sign. I'm just following them. Kani seems to have more people here compared to Finolhu. Looks more. I mean, I think when I compare both, Finolhu seems to be a bit more private, right? But in Kani, you can see yourself the amount of people. But to socialize with everyone here who's from different countries, different cultures, that's amazing. And yeah, we had that opportunity today. That was good. And beautiful.
Too complicated for us. Come on.
Pump up the jam, pump it up while your feet are stumping in the jam.
Backs, drinks, backs. Alright. Make some noise for my drink boys. Allez, rapprochez-vous, je vais voir tout le monde sur la piste de danse. Everybody else dance. All together. Ça fait chou-chou. C'est chou-chou. Et saxo. Et saxo. Et ça fait chou-chou.
Final day in Finolhu, Maldives, and today we are having breakfast outside the villa. Yeah, they provided breakfast to be served in our villa, but outside, which is there. If you can see there, yeah. And yeah, just to enjoy the final day view of this whole place before we actually take our flight tonight back to Malaysia. Breakfast is the same breakfast, but just different environments. Like on the first day morning, we had the floating breakfast, if you all remember, and then yesterday we had breakfast at their cafe, which was also very good. And today we are having it in our villa, but it's not floating anymore. But if you want to do a floating one, you can actually go and sit in the pool. So final lunch today. We are going for lunch. Today's day is literally just spending in our room. That's what we have planned. Now we are going to a restaurant for lunch and then we go back to our final packing before our flight later in the That's all for our trip to Maldives. Finolhu is just right there. That's our place that we stayed. As you can see how beautiful the whole place is. It's time to go until our next visit. And yeah, hopefully we'll travel more and more. Our bags are being loaded in the ferry. Yeah, sure. No problem. No problem.
Our beautiful, very helpful tour guide.
Now we are going up to check in our luggage, our baggage, and then we have about, I think, 3 hours plus for us to spend some time. Probably we'll have dinner here because by the time we reach Malaysia, it's gonna be 4 plus in the morning. Just done with all our check-ins, immigration, and now we are waiting for our dinner, our food. And the airport is quite small. We only have 2 outlets inside the immigration, the gates. Right. So, yeah, we noticed a lot of KFC, Costa Coffee, Pizza Hut. They were all outside. But yeah, let's see how it goes.